Yeah, this is the Festool Flex. No, I'm just kidding. Welcome back to the series of 30 years, one verdict. I've been in the shop for 30 years. I look at tools that I've used. I only look at tools that I've used, and I give my honest opinion of them. I've had this Festool TS 75 track saw for, I don't know, many years now, and I've used it a lot. So first and foremost, let's get the good stuff out of the way up front. This is a great saw. If you've got an unlimited budget and you can swing it, it's fantastic. There's nothing wrong with it. It does everything you would expect it to do. You want to cut down sheet goods, you want to cut straight lines, well, that's really all it does is cut straight lines. Now let's get into why I ultimately give the Festool TS 75 a no, a thumbs down. And really, it comes down to the difference between what this saw cost and what any other track saw cost on the market, and whether or not it's that much better at cutting straight lines. Before I bought this TS 75, I was using a Makita circular saw and a Bora clamping straight edge, and I thought I needed to upgrade. And honestly, I didn't. Yes, I use this a lot, but I made this video today because I actually just sold this, because I don't need it anymore. I'm realizing that the simpler tools, the more affordable tools, work just as well. And I don't need to flex. I'm too old for that crap. So for the new woodworkers out there, the folks that are 40, 50, 60, 70, maybe 80, I've seen some people commenting on my videos that are in their 80s, and that's fantastic. Get out in the shop and make some sawdust. I can't tell you how much I love hearing comments from the older crowd. I think it's amazing. You're in that age group, you're new to woodworking, and you're watching YouTube videos that are telling you how cool this saw is. I don't think you need to fall for that. I think it's marketing. I think this saw is 2, 3, 4 times what it would cost you to buy a decent circular saw and a straight edge. And by the way, that straight edge could be a scrap piece of plywood in your shop. Every time you bring a piece of plywood home, it's got straight edges to it from the factory. You could use those as straight edges with a circular saw. Yeah, it's a little more fidgety to have to measure where the edge is, but there's ways to deal with that. And I don't think you need to spend thousands of dollars on a plastic sustainer to have in your shop. By the way, did you know that some of the YouTubers that you watch actually have walls filled with empty sustainers just as a flex? And don't hold it against them. It makes them feel good. And buying these tools gives us a dopamine fix, or at least a part of the buying tool process gives us a dopamine fix. More on that in a future video. Back to this one. Do you need to buy this saw at any age group? I don't think so. Is it a great saw? Yes. Does it do everything that the manufacturer says it will do? Yes. Is it worth all the extra money? In 5+ years of owning it, I can't find the value. So in my opinion, it's a no. So there you have it. Upfront, quick, no BS, right to the point. I hope you like this kind of content because I'm going to be doing more of this. I've got a lot of tools in my shop that I love and a lot of tools in my shop that I feel strongly about, and I want to share that with you. Till next time, friend, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.